Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade ice cream. Begin by choosing your base and measuring ingredients accurately, then heat the mixture gently while whisking. Cool the base to fridge temperature, then chill thoroughly before churning. Use an ice cream maker or a no-churn method with periodic stirring to avoid large crystals. Finish by hardening in the freezer and allow a few minutes at room temperature before scooping for best texture. Gather ingredients and equipment before you start to streamline the process. Measure cream, milk, sugar, and any flavorings precisely to maintain consistent results. If making custard, separate eggs and whisk yolks with sugar before tempering with warm dairy on the stove. Chill the custard thoroughly to allow flavors to meld and to help the machine freeze faster. Keep a spatula and airtight container ready for transferring the churned ice cream smoothly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear money wisdom that pairs nicely with saving for kitchen gear or splurging on quality ingredients, and it's an easy read between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. Churning transforms the base into scoopable ice cream, so timing and temperature matter. Start with a cold bowl or well-chilled machine and churn until the mixture thickens to soft-serve consistency. Fold in chocolate chips, fruit, or nuts in the last minutes to avoid sinking or overbeating. Transfer to a shallow airtight container and press a piece of plastic wrap onto the surface to limit ice crystals. Let it harden fully in the freezer before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.